How's it going, everybody? Welcome your faces back to another NFTs guide video where today I'm going to be talking to you about Apraemio. It is a gold-backed cryptocurrency token and it is unlike anything you've seen before. Now, the reason why I want to review this so bad is because they are having a pre-sale that you can sign up for, and also because I wanted to show you that these guys are actually backed by a real gold mining company, and the token itself is backed by real world gold. You can see a little glimpse right here, but that's not the point. Give them a follow on Twitter if you want to find out more about what they're doing and what they're updating with in the future. But this is how Apraemio actually looks like. It's the combination of gold and crypto, and it is right here. If you want to invest in the future, this is probably the place for you. But let me not be too pushy, you know? Let me explain to you why this is actually good, starting off with the company that's actually backing them. And it is called Green Gold System, right? Where what you see on the website is essentially that these guys have been established in October 2014. They've been around for a while, and they have been researching, drilling, mining, and innovating with their technology where, this is where the gold is from that Apraemio has created their token from. Now, I will dive into the white paper at the end of the video, but Apra is the actual token itself. It's a gold token backed by a gold mine in Mali. And this is the formula, right? This is the only thing you need to know about this ecosystem. It is, first and foremost, check the link in the description below if you want to sign up to the pre-sale. It's quite simple. All you need to do is put in your name, last name, email, and password. But what I was going to say is that the Apra supply is backed by 50% of their mined gold from Mali. So one Apra, which is fixed during the pre-sale, is $0.35. And one Apra with 50 tons of gold dedicated to the supply of Apra ends up being around 0.05 grams of gold, or around $3. So make sure to keep that in mind. The early research shows that there could be 100 to 500 tons of gold in their mine in Mali. So do the calculation yourself. These guys are funding the geological research, but you know, if you invest into the token, you're funding some more research as well. And with your purchase as an investment into this ecosystem, you fund the project to launch as an innovative gold token, and you help these guys form the future of digital gold. So everybody talks about the cryptocurrency market, beating gold at some point in the future, but it's not going to happen until we at least have around a $10 trillion market cap in the crypto world. But how it is going to happen is if you actually tokenize real gold in cryptocurrency, because in that case, you can simply fund the research, fund the mine, and become part of this ecosystem. So it's pretty cool. The mining process after that will begin, and this exclusive mining concession for 30 years in Komasala, South Mali, that supports an actual gold-backed crypto, or Apraemio, since 2014. And you also get to own this new gold token and trade Apra on centralized exchanges coming in Q4 of 2023. So if you want to calculate your estimated returns, this is pretty cool, right? So you have your amount to buy in Apra, right? So let's say I want to purchase 1,000, okay? Or let's say 10,000, because that's what was here at the start. The current Apra price is around 0.35, or it's exactly $0.35. And the gold price is $2,020 per ounce, right? The expected tons of gold, that are going to be mined from these guys' preliminary research are between 100 and 500. Let's take 100 as an example. The estimated value of this investment is $35,000 US for 10,000 Apra, and the return on investment is 918%. This is absolutely insane. You can play around with the numbers. If you put in, let's say 7,000 Apra and you expect 500 tons of gold, look at this. The ROI is 4,990%. It is crazy, right? And the calculator is always refreshed with the freshest prices of gold and the freshest price of Apra, as you know, it does increase in price in the future. Potentially and hopefully, right? I'm not a financial advisor, but I am bringing you a pretty cool project over here that I want you guys to check out by checking the links in the description down below. Now, there's a pretty cool explainer video here, but if you want to basically own a piece of a gold mine, this is your way to do it. And you guys have probably heard of real estate, right? Where there is fractional ownership of real estate, and even tokenized fractional ownership of real estate. This is fractional tokenized ownership of not only gold, but a gold mine, right? You participate indirectly in the research and drillings. You have an exclusive concession, so the two partnered companies are partnered for the next 30 years, And VMF technology means that Apraemio applies the most advanced scientific exploration services via satellites for its territories to ensure it is in the optimal place to begin the drilling to find gold. Now, some of the things that are actually, very important to these guys are stability and innovation, two separate worlds that Apraemio's gold token aims to combine. And if you join the pre-sale of this gold-backed token, you can see the potential for yourself. The token name is Apra. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. There's 1 billion in supply. The ICO is 100 billion released, 60% vested, 0.75%, USD for the public sale. 0.35 is the current price. So as you can see, when the public sale comes, you're already going to, pretty much double or a little bit more than double on your investment, because it's really important to invest in early stages in projects such as these, because, when the masses come and understand that you are able to literally own a piece of the entire gold mine, it's a very important thing, right? And you can learn a little bit more about the team right here. A lot of businessmen. These guys have had years and years of experience. I do recommend you check it out and read up in a little bit more detail. But in general, a very, very nice team. These guys have been working really hard to make the success of this altcoin a true possibility. And as they say, it can only be determined by the composition of the team and the community behind it. And at Apraemio, they try to value the members of the platform as much as possible. So if you join the community on Discord, and contact the team if you want to exchange information with other like-minded people, see how their experiences with Apraemio right now, you can do so as well using the links in the description down below. So that's pretty much it. If you guys are interested in learning about what is digital gold and a lot of these questions that new investors may want to pose, I mean, a lot of you are pretty much old investors or whatever, but if you're a new investor, I do recommend you check out their frequently asked questions section. There's a lot of gold here when it comes to education, so I do recommend you check that out as well. And I'm also going to leave the white paper down below so you can learn a little bit more about their absolutely insane 50-page white paper, where you can learn exactly what these guys are doing in the industry of gold mining and tokenizing of these gold bars, or gold nuggets, or however you want to call it. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below with your favorite thoughts and opinions. And lastly, I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own due diligence before investing into anything in the blockchain, crypto, or NFT world. So thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.